Here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
I am absolutely loving this view right now in downtown Wilmington as we take a look over the Cape Fear River at the battleship. Some clouds are starting to move through, and we do have a little bit of rain associated with that, but still sunshine peeking through those clouds, making a pretty nice view right there. Storm Track 3 radar and satellite, those showers are moving from west to east. The heaviest rain over into the western part of Pender County at this time and moving towards the eastern portion of Columbus County at this time. These will quickly move out of here. We'll say in the next hour or two, and it'll make way for a gradual clearing night. 79 degrees currently here in Wilmington. Behind this cold front, man, it's some chilly weather. Cincinnati checking in at 54 degrees right now. Even the western part of our state, Asheville, checking in at 57 degrees. Actually, the first snowflakes reported in the western part of the Tar Heel state. So yeah, some chilly weather behind it. Also, some windy weather as well. Look at Asheville clocking a gust of 37 miles per hour, and Charlotte windy as well. That direction, you can see it's pointing from the north, and then over and along the coast, you see the wind arrows pointing more out of the south. So the front, it's not here yet. It's moving through southeastern North Carolina right now, and you can see clouds associated with that and a little bit of rain as well. This is the first time we've seen rain since Hurricane Matthew, but this front will push across the area and move out of here very quickly, letting that cooler air rush into southeastern North Carolina. So the shower chances are going to be dwindling here in the next hour, and then you can see as we stop Pinpoint Futurecast at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's going to be a day filled with sunshine and some definitely cooler weather. Temperatures tomorrow are not going to be getting into the 80s by any means, but back down into the mid 60s. But on our sunshine gauge, it will be full for the next several days, and you'll need those sunglasses with whatever activity you plan to do outside. Maybe it's a little bit of golfing. Mainly sunny skies is going to be nice in terms of not dealing with any rain, but it's definitely going to be on the cool side and breezy, especially tomorrow. 66 degrees for our Saturday, but it's going to be a northwest breeze about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a chilly day for our Saturday, kind of a shock to the system, especially after the last week in the 80s. And then Sunday, 68 degrees. Quick look in the tropics. Things have been pretty quiet since Matthew, and we do have this area of disturbed weather. It only has a 30% chance of tropical development over the next 5 days, so good news. Lows tonight will drop down into near 50 degrees, gradual clearing, breezy though, and then tomorrow for the triathlon, if you're heading out there, runners forecast 49 degrees to start off the day, and then gradually warming into the 60s tomorrow afternoon. 66 degrees for Wilmington. Those jackets, you'll need them despite a full day of sunshine, but thankfully rain, what we're seeing right now is the only rain we have over the next 7 days. Temperatures over the next week feeling more fall-like.
Yeah, I mean, that is a beautiful 7 day. If it holds like that, sunshine, cooler temps, fall is in the air.
Yeah, we're going to say goodbye to the 80s, that's for sure.